Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining with us. If you haven't subscribed my channel, go ahead and do subscribe. Really appreciate. So this video is gonna be about my snowblower machine. I bought a snowblower machine recently from Yard Force, so I thought of doing this video for you guys. It's just kind of out of my scope, but I feel like I should do that because I couldn't find a proper Yard Force video like installation and assembly. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's not gonna be like different angles, you know, like expected ways. I mean, it is very cold right now. Winter has already started, so I'm gonna try to do as much as I can. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Just have to tell you guys that I'm trying to build this with zero experience of using a snowblower. So first things out, the handle, the gears, I'm assuming, yeah, that's what it looks like. I gotta be very careful when I'm handling this stuff. I don't want to break any parts. Parts in the box. Just want to give you guys an update on the weather right now. Today's weather in Saskatoon is -6 right now, so it's pretty cold. I gotta do this before the next snowfall. Okay, now I got everything out of the box, so it's time to start assemble. It came with this engine oils, which is 5W30. That's the one they recommended, so which is really nice. They're sending all of the toolbox that you needed to assemble this thing, so which is really nice. If you don't have tools, they're sending all of these things, all of the tools, so which is good. So first thing, we gotta install the handle. So that is what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, next step, I gotta install the top handles. I gotta make sure I'm not making any mistakes. I wish I got another hand, but yeah. Now I gotta figure out, there's this rod. I had to connect somewhere up here. I'm watching somebody else's YouTube video. It's not clear. But we'll see. I think I got it. I was struggling to put this thing on. You gotta unscrew a little bit and then make sure you have enough length to reach to this part, this handle. But after that, you're good to go. Make sure, as per the instructions, it says first do the right handle, lift the right handle and install that rod, and then go to the left handle, otherwise you'll damage. That's what it says. Now I had the rotator disc. I had to set up that. So now you gotta take this rod. So all we're trying to do is that control this this rotator. So you gotta send through this coil and then connect to the rotator. So that's pretty easy. I mean, I'm almost done with the installation process. Now I gotta install this handle to the rotator so I can control the rotator. I think I'm almost done. I'm coming to, I got no other tools to install except for this one. So this bar, this metal piece, it says to go somewhere here and connects to another tool down here. I don't know what that do, but I gotta figure out. So hopefully that's all I got to do. I mean, it's pretty hard to get through that part. Gotta apply a lot of pressure. Oh man. And you gotta push through really, really. There we go. Okay. I got it. And then of course it goes down here. Okay. And then I guess I gotta complete the assembly. I had to plug this plugging into here, into this. That's it.